Hello YouTube, we have a package here to unpackage and it's not silver and it's not gold, but I think it's something that some of my subscribers might find very interesting, the concept. It's quite fascinating indeed, and we are going to open it and discuss it. Make an incision with the knife here. I think it's former here. Very, very nice indeed. So there it is. It is Trade the Ratio. It is a book by Carl Ushanka. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. And here is a little personal note here. Comrade Salavate, thank you for your help. Keep up the great work with your videos. Very, very nice. A signed copy by Carl. And here is the review that I did on the book. There's 3 YouTubers here that did reviews here of this particular book, and I read it. Actually, I read an advanced copy, and here is the final copy for sale here. Very nice. Trade the Ratio. And what this book is about, well, I found it very quite fascinating in reading through it. All the different aspects of it. It starts out with sort of a synopsis on why precious metals go up and down, and really how politics plays a huge role. In this particular portion, it talks about domestic politics, but obviously geopolitics and world politics plays a part too, and all sorts of events and how the responses to those events. It's a really fascinating read, that portion. But the meat of the book is in the Trade the Ratio, the actual way that you can make money. You can use, this is, I talked about in my previous videos here about how silver and gold themselves as metals are not investments. However, you can make money off of silver and gold by trading and betting, essentially sort of betting on the ratio, and doing it in an educated way. And that's all explained in this book. And let's just kind of take a look here at the review as to what I said will be like the Star Wars thing, where it starts out kind of in the back here. But it says it's an incredibly insightful read and how you actually invest in gold and silver. And by the way, I wrote that review knowing that I was making a video on how silver and gold are not investments. So, so it's how you invest in silver and gold without worrying about what the price will be. The book, it's a comprehensive look at our precious metals as both a hedge and an investment. Ushanka provides a methodic, low-stress way to make money taking advantage of the gold to silver ratio. He also shows how politics and policy solidify the case for gold and silver. There's so much more. Every chapter brings knowledge and insight in a concise manner, and it really does. It's an easy read. I'm not much of a reader, but this this book is really insightful, and it gives you how to do it, how to set it up, and basically let it go, and essentially it kind of works for you. And I'm not much of a stock market kind of person. It does deal with paper gold and silver, or ETFs, to be able to take advantage of it. But and of course, as we know, it's always good to hold the physical. But if you're going to get involved in the markets, what better way to use gold and silver to your advantage? Because no matter what the price of those ETFs are, you can always use them to your advantage in this method by trading the ratio between gold and silver. And it's all outlined in this book. There's actually worksheets in here that help you do it, and it's just a matter of setting up the accounts and the like. And it's something that, for me, as not someone who likes to play in the stock market or any kind of money funds or anything like that, I don't even mess with Bitcoin. But this is something that is actually pretty enticing, and something that I may consider down the road if you have some money to throw in there to try. But I know that many of my viewers out there, and of course based off other channels here on YouTube, there's plenty of folks out there who are bullish on the stock market and on precious metals as well. And this is a way that kind of marries them both when you can take advantage of it. And it's a low-stress way to do it. That's the one factor about making trades. You know, you've heard of things like TD Waterhouse and Ameritrade and E-Trades and all the different ways you can do it online. But, you know, when you buy a stock or, you know, or some sort of a ticker price of something, you know, like any company, Apple or what have you, it's very stressful because you don't know what's going to happen, what the trends are and what the like. But this provides sort of a formulaic way to be able to do this, and just setting up some parameters at the beginning by looking at past trends and the like. I mean, there's no full-fledged method to do it, but this book outlines probably the best case and the best way to do it, and the easiest method to provide. And it's a great read all around. Every chapter is quite enticing and exciting. So just thought I'd let you guys know about this book. It's available, I believe, at most retailers. I believe Amazon has it. I'll find a link and post it in the description below. And just wanted to share this with you guys, and hope you find it fascinating. Post your thoughts below on what you think about being able to take advantage of the gold to silver ratio. I'd like to extend the multitude of gratitude you all for watching. I encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.